No ship can live without this bottle of spray, WD-40. Welcome aboard Ship's Tech Talk. Today we're talking about a product that every sailor, marine engineer, and ship mechanic swears by. The legendary WD-40 multi-use product. Whether you're working on a cargo vessel, a naval ship, a fishing boat, or a luxury yacht, one small blue and yellow can has become absolutely essential. It's the silent hero that saves hours of labor, prevents rust, and keeps machinery alive at sea. In this video, we'll uncover everything you need to know about WD-40, from its chemistry and magic-like uses to how it's applied on board and why no ship should sail without it. Stick with us till the end to learn uncommon tricks and gain insider knowledge from the shipyard. The purpose of WD-40. WD-40 is not just a lubricant. It's a moisture displacer, rust preventer, penetrant, and cleaner, all packed into one. Originally developed to prevent corrosion in aerospace missiles, its purpose quickly expanded when mechanics discovered its incredible versatility. Onboard ships, WD-40 is primarily used to loosen rusted bolts, free jam components, drive out moisture from parts, silence squeaky hinges, protect metal parts from salt air corrosion, and clean grime off mechanical parts. The real beauty of WD-40 lies in its ability to solve hundreds of small yet critical issues that occur daily on a ship, especially when working in salty, humid, and corrosive marine environments. When is WD-40 needed? In the marine world, timing is everything. WD-40 often becomes the go-to solution in urgent repair situations. Need to remove a corroded nut during engine maintenance? Crew locker hinge squeaking all night? You guessed it, WD-40. It's also essential during routine inspections, emergency fixes at sea, and even while preparing ship parts for painting by removing sticky residues. WD-40 can revive seized parts, protect exposed metal during voyages, and even stop tools from rusting inside a toolbox. There's almost no day on board where this spray doesn't come into play. What's in WD-40 and how it works? The formula of WD-40 is famously secret, but we do know a few important facts about its ingredients. It contains a mix of hydrocarbons, including aliphatic hydrocarbons, petroleum-based oils, and CO2 as a propellant in newer formulations. These elements help reduce surface tension, allowing the spray to seep into microscopic gaps between stuck parts. The hydrocarbons act as solvents to break down grime, while the oils provide lubrication and protection against rust. The product evaporates slowly, leaving behind a thin, oily film that guards metal surfaces from moisture and oxygen, the main culprits behind corrosion. This blend of penetration, lubrication, and protective properties makes WD-40 a truly multi-purpose solution for harsh marine environments. Why WD-40 works at sea? At sea, where metal is always fighting against salt, water, and air, corrosion is a constant enemy. WD-40 displaces water, which means it pushes moisture out of tiny crevices, preventing rust from forming. Scientifically, it forms a barrier between the metal and the environment, reducing the electrochemical reactions that cause oxidation. The low surface tension allows it to spread thinly and evenly, getting into tight spaces. Its ability to dissolve adhesives and remove contaminants makes it ideal for cleaning mechanical parts during maintenance. WD-40 is particularly effective in marine conditions because it remains stable under both cold and hot temperatures and resists being washed off easily, which is crucial on deck or in the engine room. How to use WD-40 on ships. Using WD-40 on board is simple, but should be done smartly. Shake the can well before use. Aim the nozzle directly at the affected area, whether it's a seized bolt, a rusted hinge, or a wet electrical connector, and give it a firm spray. Allow a few minutes for the product to penetrate and act. For tougher spots like marine-grade bolts exposed to years of salt spray, let the spray soak longer or apply multiple coats. WD-40 can also be sprayed on tools and parts before storage to prevent corrosion. When using around electronics, use short bursts and avoid puddling. Always use it in well-ventilated areas and remember to wipe excess fluid if needed to prevent oil buildup. Applications in the marine industry. WD-40 has countless uses on ships, from engine rooms and deck machinery to cargo holds and crew cabins. It is widely used to maintain winches, davits, mooring equipment, radar mounts, ventilation dampers, and hatch covers. Crew often carry it in their maintenance kits to solve problems on the fly. It's also used in lifeboat maintenance and inside the galley to prevent drawer and hinge issues. In shipyards, it's used during dry dock repairs to disassemble aged systems. Even superyachts use it to maintain their sparkling stainless steel fittings. Its non-conductive, water-repelling qualities make it safe for many electrical applications too, such as connectors and control panels. So, the next time you see that humble blue and yellow can in a toolbox or engine room, remember, you're looking at a multitasking marine lifesaver. WD-40 isn't just a product, it's a partner in ensuring smooth sailing, safe operations, and smart maintenance on board. From loosening the unmovable to protecting what matters, it's one of the most trusted tools in the marine world. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Ship's Tech Talk for more practical, easy-to-understand guides on ship technology. Comment below if you've got a cool trick or unique use for WD-40 at sea. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay shipshape.